Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Hey, check this out, guys. Got the comp seats in it now. We're really styling. Okay, guys, we are in the C7 right now, the black Z06 that we just got done doing. We're gonna go for a drive, show you how good this thing drives. Pretty nice day out here in Kansas City, honestly. It's not too hot. It's been just ridiculous hot. Last week it's unbelievable, but this week's nice. So we'll take Z06 out for a little cruise right now. Show you how it runs. It runs really good. All right, so in the 2016 C7Z right now, and you know, still pretty stock in here. Haven't really had nothing. We did just put those comp seats in, which I just showed you on the video. We got this car in track mode right now, so it has the exhaust open, and once it hits a cruising speed, it kind of quiets down. Car still drives honestly a lot like it did when it was stock. It's just a little louder, and every now and then you can hear that cam thumping, but pretty tame car, honestly. Well, I thought we were gonna have a free spot here, but Expedition just pulled out in front of us. Yep, it runs. Oh man, this thing just gets it. The car's only on about 13 and a half, 14 pounds of boost. Just tuned said when he was tuning it. So very efficient setup that we have here, almost making 900 wheel horsepower. And it feels like it's making every bit of that. It moves really good. Hooks up really well too on those 18-inch forge lines out back. I am running the Nitto 555R2s, the new drag radial on the back. They're a 315 40 18 on the back, so a pretty good sized tire. You can hear it as we come to a stop. It's just super tame. Very tame cam this profile is, but it makes power, and that's all that matters. A lot of low end power too. This thing rolls out. But more importantly, Curtis is going to give us a ride in the F150. Curtis, how long was this thing down? 2 months? 3 months?
Now it went down, I'm just waiting on the blower. About a couple months.
It's a couple months. So basically this is Curtis's personal truck. It is a 2017, right? 2018 F150. This is a 4-wheel drive truck. And it's got a VMP blower on it. And you did rods and pistons?
Yeah, rods and pistons, Gen 3.
Nice. Fuel system.
Front and rear diff, portion diff.
We're gonna go for a ride, right?
Extra clutch.
19 pounds of boost.
Oh
Yeah.
I saw the 16-pound boost pull.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Let's roll. All right. It sounds pretty good.
It's pretty mild, huh?
Yeah, it's the loudest thing I think I've ever seen you drive. Oh, engage. What do you think it'll run, Curtis?
I don't know. I would, on the next Friday, first thing, if it runs 950 or better, I won't be disappointed.
Yeah.
If it runs slower than 950, I'll be disappointed.
No kidding. So it's that fast.
Yeah, it should be, yeah. It's probably making 950.
No kidding. Holy crap.
Honestly,
And what does this truck weigh, being 4-wheel drive?
40, I've taken some out. It probably weighs 4,500.
Okay, so that's like about what a Hellcat weighs, and a Hellcat will run mid-nines with that horsepower.
Yeah, should be close.
And it's 4-wheel drive. So what do? Do you launch in four-wheel drive?
Leave it in 4-wheel drive. It won't.
It'll automatically go into 2-wheel drive?
No, it won't disengage until you let off. So it's 4-wheel drive the whole gas.
And it doesn't hurt anything.
Nope.
Wow.
And it's torsion diff, so it will unlock.
Have guys tried to like flip it into 2-wheel drive while going down the track?
It doesn't turn on.
It doesn't turn on. Okay.
Once it's engaged, it's going.
It drives really good for being lowered.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little stiff.
Yeah, I mean, I'm used to driving in early 90s Chevy pickup trucks, so this thing's like super solid.
This is an NBS.
In NBS, huh?
New body style.
Oh. See, Chevy's got NNBS.
Okay.
New body styles. Blowing ice cold in this thing. Are we gonna like get on it right when we get on? I want to feel this thing from down low. All right, people, hang on. We're about ready to do it here. Holy crap! Holy shit! Oh my god! There was no exaggeration in what just happened there. That took me by surprise. I figured it'd hook up being 4-wheel drive, but damn, holy shit.
Yep, it got down. I hadn't done it from that low either yet. I was surprised by it too.
Curtis, when's this thing going up for sale so I can buy it?
Holy shit, that was pretty aggressive.
Yeah, that was...
I still have little goosebumps. I was like, I was not expecting that either.
Man, I'm pretty sure my stomach is still back on Buckner Tarzany exit back there.
Damn, it got down.
Holy shit. Curtis, is that your first time getting on at that low of speed?
Yeah.
How'd it feel?
It felt awesome.
Yeah, I would say mid-9 is probably going to be a pretty damn good guess. I've been in a lot of, mid to low 9-second vehicles, and that felt like one for sure.
The cool thing is I think it'll do it on the street.
Yeah.
Mostly.
You got a draggy?
No, I don't have one.
I left mine in the new car I haven't introduced to the channel going down to Florida, so left it in there. So it might be a while before we see that one. We might just have to order.
Seen that for a bit.
We'll have to order a new one. Are we gonna do a roll hit going back?
Yeah. Let's get on the highway.
I want to feel like a 40 or 50.
That's gonna be the tough part. The second gear hit. That's what I want to see.
Yeah.
But I'll show you like a 40.
Holy crap! It just rolls. Chris, we need to try to get one more little romp in here.
I'll go back to the shop. Let's see how it leads at the shop.
See what?
Let's see how it launches at the shop.
Okay.
I'll play with 4-wheel drive and we'll see if I can launch.
Chris, you gonna do a launch?
Do a launch.
I think it'll be better. I think I'm gonna film outside. I think it'll maybe show it a little bit better. All right, guys, we're at our Killer Performance launch pad here. It's a good one. We got nice concrete. As you can see, we've tested it out a number of times. Man, that thing just looks good. Pretty good. How'd it feel? So it still got street tires on the front, but you did put the Nitto drag rails on the back. Those are 22s, everybody. Them ain't no 20s. Curtis, you could almost get this thing in one of them big wheel races. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you 100% would. Yeah, call this Tech 9. All that red. All right, well, thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. Now I'm gonna get my peasant Corvette over here and head home.